Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis of Ethereum, picking up where we left off in the last Ethereum video from yesterday, just seeing how things are currently dialing in, and also talk about the idea of the price of Ethereum possibly reaching $3,000 by the end of this month, because this is something that I've seen go around. Some people talking about that there is a possibility that Ethereum could reach the price of $3,000 by the end of September. And one of the main things is, of course, that catalyst there with the Ethereum merge being one of the reasons why we see that. So we'll talk more about that, as well as do our technical analysis and our price prediction. So as we get to it, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now let's get into this. Now, definitely worth mentioning that right now, the crypto market is close to being back at $1 trillion market cap. And if we look over at what we're currently seeing, Ethereum really isn't moving much, neither is Bitcoin, but we do have some green starting in the crypto market, according to CoinMarketCap, in this last 24 hours. So it's nice to see that some altcoins right now are moving, but not a whole lot going on with Ethereum and Bitcoin at this moment, at least. Now, looking at Ethereum here on the 4-hour chart, we hit our neutral price prediction right on the money. If you guys have been following this, I made these different price predictions: a bearish, neutral, and a absolute bullish price prediction. And what we have seen is we just lined right up to that neutral price prediction, which is fine, much better than being in that absolute bearish price prediction, or even worse, just completely just lose all those gains that we did see with Ethereum over this whole Fibonacci sequence that we have. So we're still above that 50% line from these current Fibonacci levels here that we have. So we're about at that 38 retracement Fibonacci level that we're really trying to break through at this moment. And as you can see, as we have our corrective wave going on, our ABC wave, we're still waiting to figure out what all this is. Now, hopefully we end up seeing this move up, pump through that Fibonacci level, and then work its way up to going to that bullish price. We're not going to hit that today, of course, but it's going to be nice if we do manage to hit this within these next couple days or this next week. I mean, anything is really possible with crypto, as you guys know. So it will be nice to see that we really start to retrace these losses that we had over these last couple weeks. So now let's play with the idea about the price of Ethereum going to $3,000 by the end of September, seeing that maybe we might see a good pump with Ethereum with the Ethereum merge, and the whole crypto market may be moving along with what news we get this month. If we get some good news with what interest rates are going to be, there's another catalyst there about the possibility of seeing crypto pumping. And of course, that would definitely send Ethereum up to these higher levels and really help it retrace a lot of those losses that it had. So another good comparison is really looking at these whole Fibonacci levels that we're using here, but really look at that price where Ethereum was at in mid-July on into mid-August, where just over a matter of a month, we had seen the price of Ethereum go up $1,000. So if we were to play off of that and think about the possibility of Ethereum going to the price of $3,000 by the end of September, it really wouldn't be that hard to do realistically, because just the last pump that we had just fallen out of these last 2 weeks that we retraced about 50% of the value, we were on our way working up there anyway. So if we didn't see any sort of bearish activity, who knows where the price of Ethereum would have just kept pumping up to in that case. But of course, markets don't move that way. Markets are very unpredictable. Now let's pan back here a bit though, and just look more into this. So here's that $3,000 possibility that we could be reaching with Ethereum. So that would mean that we would need to pump all the way up here, which we could do. I mean, it's possible, but at the same time, I mean, that's a very bullish possibility. But at the same time, if we think about how quickly the price of Ethereum did drop in May, I mean, we were at that $3,000 price just in May, and from basically May 4th on into June 18th, we had seen Ethereum reach this low here. So, I mean, we're looking at how quickly that price did decrease all the way down below $1,000. So really, I mean, if you can think about how quickly it can fall, it can go up just as fast as we've seen many times before. But there's also another thing that a lot of people are talking about, and that is that we do see crypto perform better usually in these months, like how we have been seeing the month of July. We had been seeing these crypto pumps, and we were seeing that in August. Now, even though we saw a little bit of pullback, we still were seeing that momentum going. And a good way to look at it is how we were seeing these crypto pumps in July in 2021, and we were seeing that in August, and then we saw a correction, and then we started seeing the price pumping in September, October, and into November, where the price of Ethereum did reach its all-time high. So thinking about that, putting that into perspective, that just like how we did see the crypto market tip over in May and in June, we really saw the same thing happen last year. I mean, we saw the crypto market tip over in May and in June, and then work its way back up in July. So if you think about that, then there's that possibility of seeing such a thing happen. If you want to just base it off of historical factors, that is. But, I mean, we can't necessarily do that. Things don't usually work that perfectly. Now, I do absolutely like that idea, though. I am bullish on crypto, and so seeing Ethereum go to $3,000, I would love to see that. I would love to see it kind of just correct from where it was, back in May, and see that as a possibility of something that we could be seeing. But at the same time, I'm also fearful that as we do get done with the Ethereum merge, that a lot of things at that time would already be priced in, and then maybe we might be seeing a little bit of a sell-off happen. And so that's my other concern about the end of this month, is that we might be seeing some selling off happen with the Ethereum merge. Now, I'm not here to give you guys any sort of financial advice, because I just do these technical analysis for my own personal for my own personal investments, because I do invest into Ethereum, and every crypto I actually talk about on this channel are the ones that I am invested into. So I do this for entertainment purposes only, and more so cater to the people that are invested into the same things that I invest into. So don't take that as me saying that's going to happen. I like to talk to you guys about what you guys think about the possibility of that happening. So anyways, though, we'll say that is a possibility, that $3,000 is a possibility. And then we have these other predictions that we really have to go off of. And so let's just say if that's the absolute bullish case scenario, then let's just go with more of a neutral case possibility. And then if that's not the case, then let's also just go with a more bearish possibility. So let's just say, hey, we'll just stick back to this. And this is if we see a lot of selling off happening with Ethereum. So anyways, let's go off of this. Let's use this as a possible case scenario. Seeing in our neutral case, we will see the price of Ethereum still going up from where it is, being between prices of around $1,800 all the way up to prices of about $2,750 around there. And then our more bearish case scenario is seeing the price of Ethereum between the prices of around $1,800 and $1,000. So that's what we're going to do. And anyways, though, let's just play with this and let's just see how this month goes. I will keep these locked in here, and I'll keep doing these Ethereum updates as well as many other crypto updates. So make sure you subscribe, check out what happens here. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you all in the next one.